Today we are working on some bug kits. So your kit should include this wonderful All About Me StarCraft that you're going to complete. It'll also have a bug, and every bug is different, so not everyone will have the same bug. So this is an example of a ladybug. Then there'll be some other fun stuff in there too, like some pencils and a link to go to the video, and some bookmarks, and a few other things that we're not going to show here because we want it to be a surprise. So what are we doing? Where are those bugs? Okay, so this is an example of the bumblebee one that will be possibly in some new kits. They're all very similar. What you want to do is snap off the outside layer, which is very easy to do. You're just going to push your little bug out through it, and then you're going to remove that black layer of paper. Once you have done that, it's free, and you're going to take the black strips and separate each one of them. Once you have them separated, you're able to weave them in and out of the folds and little slips that are in the bug itself. So as you can see, just go in and out, under, over, until you get all the way up to the very top of your bug. Whatever bug you get, that is. You could use a little bit of tape, or you could use something else to stick them there too to keep them in place. Now you've got your StarCraft. So you're going to start with popping it out of the paper. Now that you've got it out, you just put the scrap to the side and you got two pieces. So you can color it however you wish to color it, and then you can fill out the different sections that are on it. So it's going to ask you some details, and you can even include your own picture in the middle of it. It's really fun to do.
Things I like to do, I'm going to write paint. My family, we're a family of 4. My favorite food. You're going so fast. Listen. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a doctor. I live in, we're just gonna say Cochrane. My phone number is secret. Okay. Now we're gonna go. Okay. Let's see. Then we're gonna go. And then this, we're gonna poke it out. And get away with that. And then this. And then you go. Picture. So
once you've got it all done, then you can move to your activity sheets. So these are all about bugs this week. You're going to see all sorts of cool things that you can do on here, especially spelling out each bug. So if you need any help, I'm sure you can ask a parent or your brother or your sister, your grandma, grandpa. Somebody can help you with it. But it is a lot of fun to do. You can even color the different bugs and insects that are on there. We hope you enjoyed this kit, and please make sure to order the next one on our website, cochranepubliclibrary.com. Show us the results on our Facebook page. Bye for now.